The 2026 camper van isn't just another upgrade, it's a complete reimagination of mobile living. With bold lines, a sleek aerodynamic profile, and a futuristic lighting signature, this van demands attention whether it's parked in the wild or cruising down the highway. Every detail has been crafted to deliver a seamless blend of comfort, performance, and self-reliant living for modern explorers. Step inside, and you're greeted by a space that feels more like a boutique apartment than a van. Warm wood accents contrast with high-tech composite materials. Ambient LED lighting runs along the ceiling panels, offering adjustable moods for every time of day. The floor is layered with sustainably sourced, weather-resistant bamboo, both stylish and durable. The kitchen is a marvel of compact design. A 2-burner induction cooktop is flush-mounted into the countertop, beside a deep stainless steel sink with a smart touch faucet. Below, modular drawers provide room for a fridge-freezer combo, pantry storage, and all your cooking essentials. Above, soft close cabinets with magnetic latches keep everything secure on the road. Across from the kitchen sits a convertible lounge area. With the push of a button, the seating folds flat into a queen-size bed, complete with memory foam mattress and smart temperature control. Integrated blackout blinds on the windows offer privacy and better sleep, while hidden skylights above let in natural light during the day. At the rear, the bathroom is ingeniously designed to maximize space. A full-height wet bath includes a rainfall showerhead, composting toilet, and fold-down sink. The entire enclosure is lined with antimicrobial, easy-clean surfaces. Water is drawn from a 100-liter freshwater tank, filtered and heated on demand with an electric water heater powered by solar. The van's power system is entirely off-grid capable. Rooftop solar panels generate up to 1,000 watts, feeding a lithium-ion battery bank beneath the floor. With a built-in inverter, you can power laptops, appliances, and even an air conditioning unit. And when needed, the onboard shore power hookup or regenerative braking from the van's electric drivetrain keeps things charged on the move. Connectivity is top tier. An integrated 5G antenna and Wi-Fi hotspot keep you online, no matter how remote the destination. A touch panel by the sliding door controls the van's climate, lights, battery management, and security systems. You can also access all settings via a smartphone app, making remote monitoring simple and intuitive. Storage hasn't been overlooked. Under-bed compartments, overhead shelves, and hidden wall niches provide space for everything from camping gear to clothes and tech. The rear garage area is large enough for 2 bikes, a folding kayak, or even a compact e-scooter. When it comes to driving, the 2026 camper van delivers a smooth, quiet ride thanks to its fully electric platform. With dual-motor all-wheel drive and adaptive suspension, it handles both city streets and off-grid trails effortlessly. The digital cockpit includes a 15-inch touchscreen with navigation, voice control, and 360-degree cameras for safer maneuvering. But what truly sets this van apart is the sense of freedom it gives. Whether you're working remotely from a mountainside, exploring national parks, or just escaping the daily routine, this camper is a mobile sanctuary. It's a statement